Welcome back everyone. Today we're going over the Moxitec tubing profiles. There are two different shapes of profiles. There is the L tube, which is L-shaped, and then there is the R tube, which is rectangular shaped. Both profiles are stocked in two types of finishes. It would be the mill finish, which is a raw aluminum finish, and then there is the powder coated black finish. Tubing profiles come in a tight fit or a loose fit. The tight fit tubing profile has ridges inside of the tube in order to catch the joints when you're pounding them in. And what that does is keep the connection tight so that they can't be pulled apart. It's more of a permanent fit. The loose fit tubing profile is meant to slide together with the joints pretty easily, and then also you're supposed to be able to just pull them apart by hand. The tubing and joints were created to fit together specifically as a framing system, and they're used in several different applications. Some of the things that have been created using this framing system are anything from tables and chairs to an outdoor kayak rack to a machine guard system. If you are interested in trying out any of these tubing profiles or joints for yourself, you can go to moxitec.com. I will link the website in the description below. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.